Right, good morning, good morning. Today is September 19th, and gonna look at the markets for this week. On US30, we can see here we got some, maybe nothing will happen tonight and tomorrow night. Tomorrow day and today, because we got FOMC on Wednesday, and then after that, how we're gonna talk on Friday. So a lot of uncertainty, and probably everybody's just gonna wait until all those news comes out. But people are projecting online that Apple, what is it? Powell's going to increase the rates to 75 or 100 basis points. So, yeah, today nothing much happening. Um, could be a flat day. Just look at the monthly. We got the nice flip. Just halfway into the month we went up and then we dropped down, breaking that support. Might come to this support right here, which is pretty nice. Under 30K. That would be pretty nice. Pretty nice. Basically, we're on a downtrend on the weekly. We can see this nice last week. It just, nice bearish candle. Got some wicks to the left to fill, and we might actually get that. So if we get that wick, that's about 300 points down to support. About 400, 400 or 500 points. And I mean, if we did this move, I think. Oh no, yeah, CPI made it drop this much, 1,800 points. Anyways, on to the daily. Daily. Oh shoot, what happened? All right, daily. We just flipped and filled this candle right over here. Nothing happening, just hovering around support. But on the daily, we got another wick fill over here, and we might actually basically hit support if there is maybe the NYSE Open, and we'll see what happens. But there is a 4-hour level right around there, which isn't too bad of a range. If you check it out, you can see there is a little support over here. So from that previous support, 200 points, which is pretty good if we can get that. You see that? We're gonna close. What is this? 4 hour. We got 30 minutes till this 4 hour closes, and we'll see how it closes. You know, if it close nice bearish price action, could be ranging, but could drop. Anyways, down to the 1 hour. Nothing happening, just choppy. Drop went up. Was it yesterday? Oh, this yesterday, yeah, it just dropped. Clean traffic to the left, and then on the 30-minute, just choppy. Pretty looks like some low volume happening right now. So basically, my plan is going to be this. Either I can't even take buys because one, it's counter trend. Two, there's no clean traffic to the left over here. There is clean traffic on the 4 hour, but on the smaller time frames, even like the 1 hour, the 30-minute, it's messy. So what I could expect to see, the 4 hour might actually go all the way up, but what might actually happen is it goes up, then it goes down, up, down, probably hit my stops, probably stop me out at break even, and then eventually go back up. So, it's pretty risky to take buys. 1 hour isn't even that clean because you got this nice wick rejection over here, a little resistance here, support over there. So I don't really know if it's, yeah, it could be a no trading day to be honest. 4 hour looks juicy though. The only way I'll take a buy is maybe if the 9:30 candle, 9 o'clock, this 4 hour closes bullish. And the 9:30, there's some nice momentum to go up, quickly take profits, and it might go back down. Otherwise, the best trade that I want to take is sells. All right, sells below this level, all the way down there for about 165. Stops could be about 120. So it's like a 3-to-2 trade. Let's see on a 30-minute how clean this traffic is once it breaks that wick. Oh yeah, look at that. Once it breaks that wick, the most recent low is clean right here. It's clean. You can make 130, maybe even 100 points. So that is pretty clean. That's nice right here. That's going to be the trade for me. I'll just wait for setups to come in. We're in the downtrend. We're trading with the trend. Everything's going to make sense. All right. So let's Yeah, man. That's it. Okay. Moving on to MetaTrader. Right. We got 22 minutes. Yeah. 15-minute. I'm most likely just gonna wait. You can see here over here, right around here, this was maybe a fake out, drop, broke the previous low, but it's no volume around that time. So it doesn't make sense to go up and short it. So we're gonna wait for a closure, 30-minute closure. Actually, we're gonna wait for 9 a.m. to have all time frames close and tell us where it probably wants to go, and we'll come back to the charts then. All right. Otherwise, we're just gonna continue to watch this, looking for shorts, and we'll get back once there is a setup. All right, 9 a.m. just happened. You can see here that the 4 hour did close bullish. It bounced off that little support, turned bullish all the way. And I think now, let's see if we draw a little fib, it might retrace to like 3,700, 3,800, maybe even 50%. Anyways, I think this will retrace a little bit. This is a nice signal to go up down to the 1 hour. We can see it curving up. Nice bullish candle on the hourly before. Now, even if it might wick down, right? Maybe 21, fill this wick of 24 points. And then you got this wick at 71. Then there's a little resistance there. Like I said, it's just messy. Could go all the way up here to 185, which is fine. But when you go down to the 30-minute, what I really look at, if we take buys above this previous wick, it's just gonna go 30 points. And you're already risking 34, 40 points. Right? Then it goes up here 90, then it goes here. Like it's not the cleanest. I would have to wait for 9:30 to see. And with 9:30 with the opening bell, there are some volume, there's more momentum, more strength, and I think that's what will happen. Otherwise, I'm still sticking to the more lean, keen on the sells down here. Oh shoot. Just gonna redo that part because trading view wasn't focused. 4 hour close bullish. Nice bullish action, bounce off that support, bounce off the previous lowest wick. Possible to go all the way up, which it does look nice based on the 4 hour time frame. But we'd have to have stops about 134 points to move 250 points. Now this could be a retracement, could stay in the zone, could stay in this range. Nice bullish close on the hourly, no lower wick. It did wick down. It already flipped bullish, so you could have risked maybe like 16 points to fill a 23-point wick fill there. And then you got it 69, etc. It could go up, but on 30-minute, it's a bit more messy, right? I don't like these wick fills, these small wick fills here, even though it could happen, because honestly, it might just hit like 50% of that wick fill. Whether it goes up all the way or not, right? You risk about 10, 15 points, maximum 30, you get 15. It's a little risky, But yeah, as I said, I'm probably gonna wait till 9 a.m. open, 9:30 open, and maybe take a buy there. Otherwise, I'm just gonna stick to sells and wait for that to happen. Already accept that it could be a no trading day because uh, markets are a bit slower today. Some banks have holiday today, and everyone's waiting for FOMC. All right, we got 90 seconds until the market opens up. Right now, we got this 30-minute close. Oh no, there's a 1 hour. We got this 30-minute closing bearish, and it looks pretty strong. 1 hour still moving. The trend is down. So there's no setup for buys. Probably just set up for sells. Yeah, so we're gonna take this out. Initially, as I said, I probably want sells below here to fill that for 40 points. Looking pretty good. We got 1 minute left. Get over to MetaTrader. But so that might happen, right? Could happen is sells here at the open. It just drops. It just drops all the way here for 40 points, but I ain't gonna do that. Right, my trade plan is sells below here, which is perfectly fine because we need 30-minute closures outside, which it's not gonna close outside the zone. And I'm just playing a wick fill, which I do not like. All right, here we go. Let's see. No, this does a. What is this? 74, 72. Let's just bring my TP all the way down. We'll zoom in on the trade. Let's see. Nothing happening. If you look at a 30-minute, it's just consolidating. Okay. Gold. Nice wick fill from here. Raja set up right here, and then it dropped 23 points. That was nice. Now this 30-minute just consolidating at the support. You know, we gotta wait. We got to wait. Nothing happening. 74. Okay. Now, looking at this 1 hour, you know, maybe the 1 hour could flip bullish, but right there it took off. I just can't. Let's see. If I did take a buy, it would have been above here, somewhere around here. Let's see. What would have happened? Right, 8, we'll do like 10. I mean, if this moves, it moves. I mean, look at this. About 33 points. Where's your stop loss? You know, where would your stop loss be? Down here? 90 points for 30? I ain't taking a 3 to 1. I mean, 1 to 3 trade. Hey. Just watching it. There's just no buy setups. Just looking at a 30-minute. I can't. No buy setups possible. Yeah, man, nothing's happening. Be glad I didn't take this minus 18 points. The trend is down. It's basically just retrace. Even on a 5-minute, there's a sell shut up. But nothing. No news. Don't know much. And can't take a trade here. There's no setups. So I'm gonna pause and we'll wait till there's a setup. All right, so here you can see that trade idea number one played out. Um, as I said on the 4 hour, it was bullish, right? The previous 4 hour closed bullish, small doji candle, made a lower wick, but I didn't like counter trending it. So a stop loss of about 96, even 100 points would have made close to 1 to 183. But that's a 4 hour. It's nice, clean traffic. I knew, had a feeling it might happen. Just didn't like going counter trending. Um, but you learn from this, and maybe you can, based off 4 hour time frames. But anyways, 1 hour. 1 hour closed bullish, made a lower wick, respected the previous low, broke the previous high, signs, signals for a buy. But the 30-minute, same thing, no lower wick, right? You can see it here, no lower wick, and it just went up. 15-minute, clean bullish candle, but on a 30-minute and the 15, it's not so clean, right? Like it didn't make sense for me to risk 93 points to possibly take some here, maybe face a rejection. It's only 30, right? Ultimately, it'll go up to here for 160. Look at a 15, it looks even in a worse condition, right? I just don't know. But there was a 5-minute setup right over here. Um, right, so it wicked up, it broke its high, and then face a drawdown of 34 points. Now, if I did enter on impulse above this level, I would have held it because of this candle closed bullish, respecting that high. So then I would have to wait 5 minutes, and then this 5 minute broke it. So entry would have been break above this first 5 minute open, stops below the current 5 minute low, which is pretty tight because it's just 5 minutes. Anything could happen. It could actually drop, retest even lower. But it went up, risking, what is it here, 51 points, and it jumped up 76 points. So, 4 hour had a nice setup, and it's all good. Probably, as I said, probably just stay in this range. It's okay. Didn't miss much. Slow moving, 30 minutes already, and nothing's happening. So we will take I might honestly just close by 10 o'clock. All right, so here, let's look at the market. Market popped off. Not much happening. You can see here, it went up. Nothing for me to do. It's messy to the left on the 30-minute, despite it, going up. The only way it was clean was on the 4 hour here. Right, so maybe even the 1 hour, but the volume will look pretty low, so I didn't like that trade. So base them off, and yeah, gonna go out and enjoy the day. Thank you.